Are you happy, Gouda? Are you happy? Yeah. Hi. Oh, is that your grandma? Gouda's so excited. Is your grandma coming out, Goody?
Hello. Hi.
Don't jump, baby. Don't jump. Good sit. Oh.
Wait, sit. Good boy.
Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to another vlog. I am Julia. Welcome if you're new here. I am a content creator, dog mom,
high energy human who lives in Buffalo, New York. I love making videos about
content creation tips, day in the life, celiac stuff, like healthy eating. I have celiac, so I'm always eating and following a gluten-free diet and like to share the things that I kind of come across that I love.
And yeah,
all the things. So hi if you're new here. I'm happy you're here. I'm excited about the video today because today I want to bring you guys a little behind the scenes of cooking up some delicious food. Matt is at the grocery store right now doing like a
half-handed praise.
I'd be putting them together if I was using my tripod. If you know me, you know.
I never use my tripod.
Praise Matt for being willing to go get groceries for us. He's getting groceries and we are gonna cook up a whole bunch of things. We have a lot of different things we wanna make today. It is the 4th of July. We're not really like
Go America
people, but you know, we're like, why not grill?
Feels like a day to grill.
So we're gonna grill up some corn. I wanna make a Cowboy caviar. So I need to chop up some veggies and stuff like that. Actually,
Oh, I've got an idea.
I'm doing a brand campaign with Rezip and I have some content that I need to film for it. And I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna do some food prep and then it honestly makes sense for me to throw the things that I chop up into these bags. So I'll probably film a little bit of content. I wanna go outside, read my book in the sun. So we've got a lot of things that we're gonna do. I'm really excited about the day. And I also just like, Matt and I have so much fun stuff happening this week because
He's on vacation.
so I figured it would be a fun vlog to bring you along. A little like 2, maybe 3 days in the life vlog. We're gonna cook a really good dinner tonight. Figured I'd show you that. Tomorrow I've got a meeting and someone reached out to me because they think that I would be the perfect person to speak about digital marketing for this speaker workshop that they have. I'm really excited to learn more tomorrow and have that meeting. And then tomorrow evening, Matt and I are going to see the 12th Night. The musical fair is putting on the production. They invited me as a micro influencer to come see the show, post about it, do a little giveaway. So I'm really excited about that. So my brain is moving a mile a minute because I'm like, oh, I've got to prep for that giveaway. I've got to film this content. So I've got a lot of different stuff that I need to kind of start working on.
But
It's gorgeous. I'm so excited to get a little time in the sun. So I am going to, what am I gonna do first? Honestly, I should just chop up the peppers and onion quickly first because doing that will make me feel much better. And then it's just one less thing I have to do and then I can go out and enjoy
the sun.
so that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys along, show you what we end up cooking. Here's what we've got on deck.
Sorry,
Okay,
This is a rough,
start to a vlog.
if you bear with me, you're a real follower because this is a train wreck. I need to like insert some sound effect of a crash. We are crashing and burning at the start, but we're gonna get better, I swear.
Feeling a little rusty today. I'm feeling a little bit tired.
From the concert last night. But
Okay,
yeah, we're just gonna finish this clip. I'll bring you guys along.
I'll show you some stuff.
I'll bring you along as we cook the things and I'll tell you what we're making. Okay, I'm like rocking out, having a dance party in here. Matt just went and started up the grill. We have eggplant. I have strawberries that are like soaking to clean them because I'm gonna make us some mocktails. And I made the Cowboy caviar. We still have to put corn in it and we have to, Matt suggested a fresh squeeze of lemon, which is a really good idea. Completely see it thanks to the Rezip bag. So I've got 1 orange pepper, 1 yellow pepper,
1 can of
great northern or like great white beans, 1 can of black beans, some cilantro,
red onion, only like a half a red onion.
and green onion so far, and some elote seasoning.
I'm also gonna chop up an avocado.
And throw in there at the last minute. So yeah, we'll do a squeeze of lemon, some corn that we're grilling.
And some avocado.
And what do you have on the grill now? The zucchini and the corn?
Correct.
And then we're gonna do some burgers.
Big yeah.
Matt in action. I made us mocktails and they are so good. I think the key to a good mocktail is muddled strawberries because holy oh, it's so good.
Did a few muddled strawberries, some
Mint as well, that's also a key. Some
frizzanti,
Italian lemon soda, some
club soda,
fresh mint, and also I used some of the Optimist. Used the fresh, they have a few different flavors. It's so good. We are literally feasting like kings tonight. We have eggplant, which I'm gonna drizzle balsamic on. We have zucchini. Got my burger buns that I basically just burned. Great.
love that for me.
Matt is making
Burgers right now.
We have Cowboy Caviar. Like literally what else could we want? Oh my God, I'm so excited. It's gonna be so good. I'll show you my plate when I make it up. Got lettuce, avocado for burgers, Chick-fil-A sauce, got burger bun. I will throw yours now down. Matt's is being toasted. We've got sweet potato chips to go with our Cowboy Caviar. Fries are in there. And it's like, what don't we have? This is literally a feast. Zucchini, burgers in the oven, and these
Eggplant.
turned out so good. Oh my God, I'm obsessed. Look at that, gorgeous. It's basically like guacamole because there's an entire avocado in there. I'm so excited. So we finished dinner. It was so
good.
What is your rating on dinner? Like a
12 out of 10, right?
we haven't put in that much effort into a dinner in so long.
Yeah. I feel like most dinner requires that
Okay,
level of
not
effort.
at all.
It was like a 7 out of 10.
Okay,
It
wow.
was really good.
7 out of 10. He's a much harsher critic than I
I've done
am.
things much better. Your Cowboy Caviar was exquisite. Things I produced weren't as good.
I don't think so. I think everything was really good. The eggplant dish was so good. We made like a million things. We typically don't have like
2 different vegetables.
sides and then a whole little salad and
All the things.
this mocktail is so freaking good. I'm so cozy. I'm wearing my huge Taylor Swift hoodie. And I'm on my period, so this is like the perfect cozy outfit. So we're gonna hang out and watch Euphoria, but I'm gonna pick the vlog back up tomorrow.
For when we go to the theater.
It is Wednesday, July 5th. I am about to head out the door to go meet this woman, Meredith, to talk about the speaking opportunity that she thinks that I'm a good fit for. I'm super, super excited. It is so hot out, and I figured since it's so beautiful out, I'm gonna walk over there. So I'm wearing some black shorts, black tank top, and this little jean jacket over top. And yeah, I'm super excited. And after that, I'm gonna come back and start to get ready for Matt and I to go to the theater tonight. We are all ready to go and head to the theater. I am not gonna bring the vlogging camera because I am gonna end up just recording stuff on my phone, but we'll tell you all about the show when we get back and also bring you along for tomorrow because tomorrow's gonna be a fun day. I'm gonna meet my friend Missy for lunch and also get my nails done. I am downtown. I just finished up an amazing meeting with my friend Missy, who is at Manifesting Pura Vida on Instagram. I'll put her handle right here. And that was just so much fun. We're gonna meet again next week. We've got a whole bunch of things we've been talking about and just
Lots of fun things to come.
and that just really helped to put me in a good mood because I woke up and I just like wasn't in the best mood this morning. My period cramps are
Insane.
and I'm realizing that I never took a clip last night to tell you about the theater, the production. I'm going to see 12th Night and it is so bright.
Downtown.
I need my sunglasses. I can't keep vlogging. I'm gonna tell you though all about the production when I get home. I am going home right now. Gonna be home for literally only like 20-ish minutes and then need to head out to go get
My nails done.
from Ivy and Duke. Duke is gonna do my nails. I'm so excited. Got a few different little inspo things saved. Not sure yet what I'm gonna do, like what I'm gonna choose for my nails. but it's gonna be nice to see Duke and just get him done. And yeah, as I'm home, I'll tell you guys about the show. So I am back home. This vlog honestly has been, I feel like, a bit of a mess, a bit chaotic, but I just went to go get my nails done and somehow they double booked me. So not a big deal, kind of went out there for no reason, but I'm back home. I'm gonna do some computer work. But before I do, I wanna tell you about the 12th night because oh my God, it was so good. The production is going through August 5th. So honestly, when you see this, the production will be ending or like in its last week, but I highly recommend checking out Musical Fair as a theater to go to because the production was just a lot more impressive than I was expecting. I didn't know what to expect from kind of like a small theater production, and it was really, really good. The voices of the performers were so impressive. It was funny, it was entertaining, it was clever, it was witty, it moved really fast. Matt and I had such a good time, so I'm so grateful. Something in my eye. Why does this happen whenever I vlog? Oh my God, crap. Okay, well, since I'm not getting this out of my eye, I am very, very grateful for Musical Fair for working with me to do a little giveaway too. It was just so much fun to get to go last night and to do a little giveaway. So yeah, I am back home and I am going to get a little bit of work done. Got some really good work done. Spent like 2 hours working. Also did a little bit of tidying around the house because I have 2 of my girlfriends coming over tonight for a little girls' night. I'm super excited. Matt is out golfing and I just made myself some pasta for dinner, ate some leftover eggplant and zucchini that we had. And yeah, I'm gonna take this goober out for a walk and get ready for the girls to come over. So I am going to end this vlog off here. So if you are still here, you're a real one. Thank you so much for watching. I feel like this is one of my worst vlogs that I've made in a while, but you know what? Sometimes you just have
Sometimes you have a little bit of a train wreck of a vlog. But anyway, I love you guys so much.
And I'll see you in the next one. Ooh, I put the wrong caps back on the things. Hold on. Merp.
No!
Gouda! What the f? Go to the rug!
I have to nibble the ends of all of these.
Great.
So I can take off a little bit, like see how it's...
What a bad dog.